I'm Chris Montero. I'm the executive chef and general manager of the Napoleon House Bar and Restaurant. And I'm here today to make one of our original classic Pimm's Cups cocktails. So a Pimm's Cup is a cocktail made with Pimm's Number One. Pimm's Number One is a low alcohol aperitif, or a cordial, if you will, that is a derivative of gin, a gin-based aperitif. And it is served traditionally with lemon juice or lemonade and topped with some sort of lemon lime soda. Here at Napoleon House, we make it the old-fashioned way, along with several variations of it. And I'm going to make one for you here today. So we start with traditionally a Collins glass, a tall, thin glass, and of course, lots of ice. This is most enjoyed both here and in London during the summer, during the hot months. We sell it, of course, year-round. We make a fresh homemade lemonade, slightly sweetened with fresh lemon juice, and this is Pimm's Number One. And we use equal portions of Pimm's and lemon, and leave a little room at the top there. After equal parts of lemonade and Pimm's, we finish it with a lemon lime soda. This can be done with ginger beer, with any type of soda that incorporates a lemon or a citrus flavor. We use Sprite here at the Napoleon House. It's garnished with a cucumber, sometimes in a long spear, sometimes with a straw. To this day, people come from all over the world to enjoy Pimm's Cups. The one we make is the original old-fashioned version, very simple and straightforward. It's very light and refreshing, great for the summertime heat. But you can find a Pimm's Cup in many variations in different bars. Contemporary Pimm's Cups often incorporate gin, a higher alcohol, actual gin, and many times lots of different ingredients like fresh fruits and candied fruits and so on. But we like to stick primarily with the old-fashioned version that we've been selling here for nearly 100, upwards of 80 years. And we love them. And cheers, a Pimm's Cup.